So guys, good morning. I've been testing Plaza Testnet, and I will tell you this is the easiest testnet you can ever find. Very sleek and easy. So let me just walk you through how you are going to go about it. Firstly, this is the website, testnetplaza.finance. I'm going to drop the link under the comment section so you can find it in my comment section. If you want to start, you can click the link and join. Then number two, you need $1 base ETH test. Sorry, not testnet. You need $1 ETH base ETH network. It's just going to be $1. You have to have it on your wallet. So I think it is for human verification. I don't know. It is what they ask for. So when you get here, when you've connected, you are going to see this is where you connect your wallet. Let me disconnect it so that you can see how to connect. So as you can see, this is it. So let me connect my wallet. You connect your wallet here, so it's going to pop up the wallet you just select from the list of wallets you want. Me, I'm selecting MetaMask, so I click on it, then it will pop up my MetaMask wallet. See, you click next and you connect. So as you can see, I've been connected here. So you scroll down, you see get test token. If you don't have the $1 on your mainnet, let me show you. If you don't have this $1 ETH on your base mainnet, like see, this is it. I have $3 out of Ethereum, but the qualification is the minimum is $1. But I have $3 on my own. So if you don't have this $1 minimum ETH, you are not going to be able to get the you are not going to be able to claim this testnet token. So I've claimed my own this morning. So you will request, see what it says. You can only use the faucet once per day. So then let's go to the swapping. You just go to earn. So when you click on earn, you go to sell. I've been, like I said previously, I've been testing these testnets for probably around over 3 months ago. So I've already have some test token here. So you're just going to sell. You click any amount you want to sell. So I'm selling 200 bondETH to wstETH. I won't lie to you, this is the most easiest testnet I've ever participated in my life. Very easy, very sleek, very straightforward. So it's just like that. Then boom, you are done. Boom. So that's been successful. Then you go to buy again. Select any of the token. Maybe you want to buy in USDC or wstETH, but I'm selecting USDC. So I'm buying 6,000 worth of bond. No, I'm going to buy 20,000. So I bought 20,000 watts. Don't forget, this is a test net. So all the money are just test token. It doesn't have a real value. It's just test net token. So because most of you, when you hear $20,000, you might think it is my money. No, it is a test net money. It has no real value. So that's it. That's it. Just so easy. See, it has been created. Mind you, if you are noticing, as I'm participating in all the token, as I'm selling and buying, you can watch if you are checking this icon, this is where my point, you will see that my point is, sorry for that. If you are checking this place, you can see my points are getting high. You can see now I have 927 now. So let me go and complete the rest of the testnet. Now this is leverage ETH. So let me selling 18 of it. I'm drawing to wstETH. As you can see, as I swapped, I have 927 point before. My point has been added to 932. So it is, the more you engage with the testnet, the more your points will be added. This is the most transparent testnet I've ever done in my life. I'm giving kudos to the Plaza team for this gift, because I will call it gift. So that's it. So that's it. You can see my pointer has been added again. Now I have 938. So it is easier to do. This is where you can check your actions. As you can see, today is February 18. Today is February 18. So these are what I have done today. I redeem a bond February 18, 2025. West African time 9:13. And I created, that is, I bought and I sold, I redeem, and same thing as. So every day you just have 5 tasks to do. You buy and sell bondETH, you buy and sell leverage ETH, then you can claim a coupon of USDC. They just added this one, this claim coupon. They just added it a couple of weeks ago, or let me say a week ago. So this is it. But if you don't have bondETH, you cannot claim this coupon. So I hope it is self-explanatory to you guys. And if you want me to do more video on that, if you want me to do more video about this testnet, just drop your comment under the comment section. I will provide another video for you guys. Thanks for watching to the end. It's your boy